grade 7s. Today we're going to talk about fractions as repeating decimals and repeating decimals as fractions. Let's just first look at a few fractions. So if I have 5 over 9, we know from the last lesson that to make that into a decimal we go 5 divided by 9. And on my calculator what I get is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. Now this actually means that I have 5 repeating, just my calculator likes to round at the very end, so it gives me a 6. But in actual fact, this decimal is 0.5555555 forever, and it's 5 repeating. In math land, we don't want to keep writing 5, so we would write 5 with a little line over top. That means 5 repeating. Now let's try 5 over 99. To make this into a decimal, again, we go 5 divided by 99. I'm just going to put that in my calculator, and I get that to be 0.050505, and it goes on forever. So dot, dot, dot. Or the digits that are repeating this time are 0, 5. So I would write 0, 5 with a little line over both of those digits. Now, what if I go 5 divided by 3 nines? How many repeating digits do you think I'm going to get this time? If you guessed 3, you are correct. 5 divided by 3 nines is 0.005005005. And it goes on forever. So 005 repeating. Now repeating decimals as fractions. The general rule of thumb, if we look back, if we have 1 repeating digit, we're going to put that digit over 9. If we have 2 repeating digits, we put it over 2 nines. If we have 3 repeating digits, we put it over 3 nines. The number of digits that are repeating, that's the number of nines you put on the denominator. Let's practice. So 0.4 repeating. This should be 4 over 9. I'm going to check on my calculator because might as well check because we can. Yes, 4 divided by 9 is 0.4 repeating. Now let's do 2 digits repeating. So let's go 0.23 repeating. My guess, well, my educated guess is this should be 23 over 99. 23 divided by 99 is in fact 0.23 repeating. What about, for some reason my pen doesn't want to work, 0.123 repeating. That means this is the number 0.123, 123, 123, forever! It keeps going. This should be, I have 3 digits repeating, so I'm going to put this over 3 nines. One, 2, 3 divided by 999 is 123 repeating. As always, if you can reduce your fraction, you must. In all these cases, we can't reduce them. But, or can we? 1, 2, 3. 123 is divisible by 3, and I know that because the digits of 123 add up to 6, which is divisible by 3. So we can actually reduce these. 123 divided by 3 is 41, and 999 divided by 3 is 333. And that should be as far as we can reduce that, I think. So this would actually be my answer. You would get pretty good marks if you told me this, but for full marks you'd have to reduce it. In summary, this is written in your note sheet online, but I just want to quickly go over it. An example of a repeating decimal would be 0.2222 repeating, or 0.345345. Where there is a number or group of numbers that repeat forever. The rule of converting decimals to fractions: if you have one repeating digit, just repeat the digit. Just put the repeating digit over 9 to get the fraction. If you have two repeating digits, just put the repeating digits over 99 to get the fraction. If you have three repeating digits, just put them over 999. Four repeating digits, put it over 9,999. So in general, the number of repeating digits, that's how many 9s go on your denominator. And remember to reduce the fraction if possible. All right, have a great day. Thank you for listening.